Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and we've got more Greenworks Pro Pack for you guys. We just got our hands on the new 3-drawer. Special thanks to one of our viewers that sent us an email and let us know it was available. Thank you. Now, we just did our video on the 3-tier, and I got to tell you, for $198, it's not bad. Now, of course, I've got another box in there. That's the XL Toolbox, by the way. And if you want to see this video, there's the image, by the way, and we'll put a link in the video description. Now, guys, in this video, we're going to actually take a really good close look at this 3-drawer. I'll also provide some measurements. After that, I'm going to fill some tools, by the way, with the XL Toolbox. I'm going to put some tools in there and see what fits. And then I'm going to put tools in the rolling drawer. I want you guys to see what fits. All right, guys, so let's take some time and check this out. All right, let's jump in. First of all, let me just tell you this is $99. All right, and Greenworks says this is heavy-duty construction. It can be used on a job site. I guess we'll find that out. Now, you've got 3 drawers, but as you can see, one is a little smaller. You got 2 medium and 1 smaller. Now, this is a pop-out drawer, and then these have latches, as you can see. So you've got the latch on this side, and you've got the latch on that side. So what's nice is, when you get these in, they don't come out unless you open the latches. So I like that. I like that. Now, the push-out is interesting. Check this out. So you push, and it pops out. You see that? All right. Now, it has a removable organizer that's got 12 sections, and to open it up, you just need to kind of oddly go through all these little sections to open it up. So 12 sections, removable. All right, I'll be including measurements, don't worry about it, but you do get that. All right, but as you can see here, you know, you get some good storage. These are removable, which is nice. And you know, the stacking system on this, right, is really pretty simple. It's really a one-touch, right? Now, a lot of people said this stuff looks like Tough Built. You know, it was, you know, basically made by the same company. So instead of, you know, Tough Built's got the latch on the right. This guy's got the little tab here. So if you push this in and lift, it comes off. So if you take this and you put it on top, you know, and then when you want to remove it, you just kind of push and pull. So it really, I'll tell you, they're really easy. And then there goes that XL box, by the way. Now, let's take a Stack Tech box, by the way, and put it by the side of this so you can take a look at both. So there you go. I mean, that's a 2-drawer, right? That is a 2-drawer. So you can see they have that locking system that once you open it, you can pretty much lift it off. And again, these guys have the push in, right? You just push this guy in here. That's kind of how it works. So it's got the 2 latches in the back. Very similar to this, right? They both have the 2 latches in the back. Let me turn these upside down. But a second, let me open the drawer up. So this doesn't have the latches that these drawers have, right? So you pull them to open them up, right? Takes a good tug. But they seem to stay in place, and it takes a lot to open them up. But you do have a locking system here built in. So when you pull that down, this is not opening. There's no way you're opening these. All right, so that's really nice. Now, another thing that's similar to this, you know, you've got these armor steel rails for their accessories. All right, now, one thing I learned, and I hope I could say it right, but Greenworks went with a system called a MOLLE system, if I'm not mistaken. So the MOLLE system stands for Modular Lightweight Load Carrying Equipment. Again, thank you for one of my viewers for telling me that, you know, and supposedly was invented by the Army, or, you know, one of the services. And these are steel. And then if you have like a drill, you can hang a drill on here, you know, so it's just basically an area where you can hang your tools. Now, will they make accessories for this? I would think so. I would think that they would make stuff, you know, for this. Now, I was told, by the way, that some of the bins from the organizers we'll go on here. So let's try that. Okay, so look at that. So you can actually take your bins from your organizers and put them on there. So that's pretty cool. Again, my viewers, because there was really no information out there for this stuff. So let's take a look at the bottom of these systems here. First of all, you could tell there are nook and crannies for reinforcement on the bottom of this, right? That adds to the strength of this, all right? Because then it really works on that, weight capacity. Now, back here, you've got, these guys grab the back of a toolbox, right? So when you slide it, they grab on the back, and then what happens is these two will pop out and lock automatically, all right? Now here on the bottom of the 3-drawer that just came out, you could see that you've got these guys here that will just slide into these grooves, right? Right here, 1, 2, they'll slide into these grooves. And then this latch automatically locks, so it grabs up this way. So you've got a 1, 2, 3 point locking system, I would say, right? And here you've got a 4 point. So you've got the 2 in the back, you've got the 2 in the front, And this is the piece here, I think, that when it locks automatically. All right, anyway, I'm not going to mess with that. But guys, I just wanted to take a moment and really show you these two side by side for just a moment. And I think another thing to underline really with the Tough Built box, this is a thicker material. You know what I mean? It is just a lot more reinforced. Look, these steel sides, by the way, definitely add more strength and durability to the box, whereas these really don't. These are more for accessories, right? So, I mean, you could see here that I can kind of push this down. I can't do that here. This is reinforced. It's really thick. If you remember, we looked at the bottoms, right? The nooks and the crannies, and let me show you the backs, I guess, too. So you could see, I think Tough Built kind of has a handle. Oh, that's another thing too, right? All of the drawer boxes have handles on the sides, right? Very beefy on both sides. Again, something that, you're not getting at that price point. You've got an area here that you could use for your hand, which is nice, but definitely very different. But it's nice to have an alternative that's maybe a lower cost. I believe this 2-drawer box is about $200. Think of that, right? I mean, this whole system was $100. I mean, this 3-drawer system was $100. All right, so 50% of the price, you can get a 3-drawer. Not as much room, right? But again, it's alternatives. We all like choices. All right, some more information. So material on this is polypropylene and steel moly receivers, right? Finally learned what these are by name. Steel, not aluminum like I thought they were. And no weight capacity. So there's no weight capacity for any of these boxes. And you would think that would be one of the things that they would test is the weight capacity, because you don't want to put too much weight in. You will break the wheels, you'll break something. So hopefully that'll come out soon. And if you guys find out, let me know in the comments. Like, you guys are great, by the way. Now this weighs 18.3 pounds or 8.30 kilograms. And let me go ahead and give you some measurements on the drawers here. So the top push out, by the way, is 2 inches in height. So if you take out the organizer, you're getting 2 inches in height, by the way. Now your depth's a little shorter. You're getting 12 inches in depth. And then in width, you're getting 14.5 inches in width. Now, the other 2 drawers are going to be the same, a little bit different than the top one, of course. So you got 3 inches in height now. You got 12.5 inches in depth instead of 12. And then you've got 14.5 inches in width. All right. Now, this is made in China, just so you'll know. And it does come with a limited lifetime warranty. So I wanted to show you what I could fit in this box. Now, this is the XL Pro Pack. So I just put it, whatever I could put in, and now I'll take it out and you'll see. I figured that would be the easiest way. All right. As you can see, the hacksaw. Nice grinder. Yep. The big boy, the Sawzall. The 2nd gen rear handle. And obviously some of the, pieces that have to go on this stuff. So I wanted to show you that all fit in there. That was pretty good. Now the bad news is I don't think all of it's going to fit in the bottom drawer there, to be honest with you. This definitely has more room. And what I like too is it actually is IP, rated, and it actually has a nice handle in a couple of places. Actually, no, that's just the only handle. So guys, not bad. So I'll start off telling you that the rear handle 2nd gen doesn't fit in here at all, okay? Let's take a look. Now, just so you'll know, this fits in the drawer, but it won't fit with the combination I have in there, by the way. So you can see here, got the grinder. Got this bad boy. And then we've got a 6.5. And some accessories. But this does fit in here. It just takes up a good amount of room. And there you go. And there you go. You got your 1 drawer. You got your 2 drawers. And now you've got your 3 drawer and your organizer. Pro Pack by Greenworks. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us. And you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.